everybody, welcome back. I didn't think that there was going to be a part 2 of this series, but apparently there is. So my friend Carolyn requested that I do a celebrity makeup video. I don't think it'll be any good, but I can try. So this is my wholehearted attempt at that. Since I believe in go big or go home, I thought I would start with Marilyn Monroe. I can't totally remember what she looks like. Hang on. What does she look like? Okay, so like, I got the boobs. Okay, I think I can do this. If I just like brush my hair. I don't have a curling iron. This is about the makeup anyway. So before we start, make sure you have some Kleenex on you. Make sure that you have everything that you're going to need. Make sure that you brush your teeth. All the fun stuff. Yeah, I can do this. I look like an average white chick. I think I can do this. If you're not white and if you're not average looking, I have no idea what you're going to do. Watch me try and fail. I look like a very severe ballerina. No, it's already coming apart. No, don't do this. Should have said to wash your hands earlier too. Wash your hands. So step 1, prime your face. I don't have primer. Step 1, put on... Do I have concealer? Step 1, put on concealer. If you're like me, you get zits and you pick at them. There is no stopping you, because of course not. When did I get this? I don't know how old this is. This is pretty old. This is Essence Stay All Day Concealer. So I'm gonna do the under eyes too. You put concealer under your eyes to cover up your bags, as literally everybody knows. None of us get enough sleep. Is that? Sure, I look pretty, sure. And then we put on our actual foundation. I am using this thing. It's a really good thing I didn't pick a tan celebrity because I would just be... It just would not happen. Why did it clump? I got a big clump. What do I do with that? I've seen people online using brushes to do this. I don't think I have a brush to do that with. Well, my forehead is really shiny in this. Actually, my whole face is pretty shiny right now. I always forget to do between my eyebrows, so don't do that. Scrub back into your hair so you don't leave a white line. My ears are just going to look normal color and then the rest of me is going to be shiny. It's going to happen. I'm calling it now. Can you put on too much foundation? Because if you can, I think I did. Wipe off the excess, leaving weird color streaks on your neck. Just a little bit. Onto my eyelid they go. And there, now my skin looks like it's pasty. Actually, no, it looks like it's actually paste. Maybe I can make my ears look less weird if I don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows. We're all making this up. Is this the one that's too dark for me? Maybe. I am now gonna put powder on my face. I broke it a while ago, so I have to keep it shut with a hairband. I'm just gonna put this everywhere. I thought I looked pasty. Now, just give it a minute. Marilyn Monroe may have been pretty tanned before she went all old Hollywood. She was Norma Jean before she was Marilyn Monroe. I should have put in like some fun facts. That would have been good to include. Oh my gosh. You guys will have to do your own Googling. Let's see. I know that she was in Gentlemen Prefer Blondes and How to Marry a Millionaire. That's on Netflix. I found it quite boring. I mean, it was amazing. Okay. This is the same thing you saw last time. I'm not getting one especially for this. Like, you guys aren't that special. You're special to me, but I'm not spending money on you. I'm gonna do basically the exact same thing. Start by highlighting my face in... I'm using the same color. I'll vacuum after this time. My skin doesn't look like skin anymore. And then on the non-highlighted parts, I'm using this color. They don't have names on them. They don't have numbers. I don't know what these things are. It's a shade. It's a color. I think I look okay. I look okay. Oh, she has a little bit of a butt chin in that one. That's interesting. I am so itchy. And I'm gonna mess up my makeup. Very heart-shaped. Oh, she has the mole thing. Okay, I think I can do that. Lightly follow my jawlines. Once again, we blend to correct all of our mistakes. And also, since she had a little bit of a butt chin in that one photo I saw, I'm gonna... Oh, this is gonna end badly. This is gonna end really badly. Right there. Is that right? I don't think any of these are dark enough for that. I blend. It's not that bad. That's what I said last time. It turned out not that bad. Next up with the contouring under the cheeks, and then I'm gonna do like the whole swoop thing so you can see like the entire sort of under, because she's always like doing the smiley thing. Yeah, no, my smile's not sexy. I'm getting powder everywhere. Is that the color? Yeah, that's the color I just used. The celebrity makeup videos never look as good on but they look really good on camera. So I'm hoping that I look like a painting and not like somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay. I'm thinking this will turn out all right on camera, but just know in real life this looks really bad. Also, she has a tiny, tiny, tiny nose. Her nostrils are so small. I mean, you just contour until you can't contour no more. This brush is for eyeshadow, but right now, because I don't know what I'm doing, I'm using it on my face. By which I mean like my eyes are still on my face. I'm not some Cthulhu monster, don't worry. So what I am doing is I am adding powder right there and pulling it down to shrink the size of my nostril and to also try to get like a button nose effect while I'm at it. Once again, not a professional, just took high school art. There is so much excess powder on my face. Okay, I'm using the darkest color on here to try to outline where my pretend nostrils are. The problem is all these colors are just like fading together. Forgot what color I was using and now my sides don't match. No! I feel like that's good enough. I'm gonna need to wash these later. Ugh, this is blurry. Just like kinda... If I get attacked tonight by the ghost of Marilyn Monroe for not looking good enough, nah, she's nicer than that. Marilyn Monroe was nice. I'll have to pick which dead celebrities I try to look like carefully to make sure that I don't get haunted. Apparently I have a blonde eyebrow pencil. I can actually do what I wanted to do last time and hopefully it actually looks good. And if not, this is just dress up anyway, so who cares? Woohoo! Compared to mine, her eyebrows are more swoopy. They have a bigger curve to them. So I'm just going to try to brush my eyebrows down into a different direction because I don't feel like plucking out all my eyebrow hairs right now. The blonde doesn't quite match the shade of my eyebrows, but you know what? I think I'm going to use this going forward. I'm just going to add a bit of a darker shade to kind of add some dimension because that's the thing you apparently need to do. Okay, my version of Marilyn Monroe has very thick eyebrows. So in the pictures I'm looking at, she has a very like natural eye. I think I can do that. So I'm just gonna make this main section pink, then like some tan color, then a bit of highlight, I guess. Totally going to get haunted for this. Dear ghost of Marilyn Monroe, please don't hate me. That's just not Marilyn Monroe I'd have to worry about. It's more like maybe one of her husbands. Also gonna put a bit of white under my eyes, because that looks like in the pictures that she might have, maybe. Like if this looks good at all, it's only because I'm already white and I'm already blonde. And I already have very average features, so I just have to basically copy her makeup. Okay, then I'm gonna take the pink. This is a really nice shade of pink. I should use this more. The lid, the over part of my eye, the lid, the thing that covers my eyeball. How long will it take me to get something in my eye? Vote now in the comments section. I mean, if you disregard the fact that my skin is just entirely powder right now. Okay. Ooh, there's a nice gold shade in here. In the photos, I didn't see any where she had a huge highlight here. I'm talking as if I know what I'm talking about. I don't. I'm just gonna keep talking because nobody's here to tell me to shut up. And then I'm gonna use the gold color. I didn't even use this one. I'm just using the brush. I like the brush. Dang, this is nice. Maybe I shouldn't use gold. Oh well, it's already on my brush. We use gold to like go around my eye a bit. I kind of did this video on a whim. I should have like researched this or something first. My face ain't that bad. It's a face. Okay, now because I feel like it, I'm gonna take this brown color and just work it into just like the crease of my eye. Does that look good? I can't tell a difference. I honestly can't tell a difference. Maybe that worked? I don't know. Oh, now it's starting to work. Oh my gosh, I'm looking good. I'm also gonna add a bit of the brown into my brow because I just saw a spot I missed. Oh no. Ta-da, this is my face. This is my face pretending to be somebody else's face. Next up on the list, we have eyeliner. She has like the cat eye thing going on, which is good for me because cat eyes are supposed to be easy. Bad for me because I suck at them. I'm about to ruin all of my makeup for this. I'm gonna do it. Whoa, she looks pretty in that one. Oh my gosh. I mean, she looks pretty in all of them, but like, yeah. Same old 2 eyeliners that I used last time. I just spilled everywhere. How do you do this? Like, this is scary, guys. This is intimidating. Oh my gosh. Okay. I want my cat eye to go about there, maybe? Well, that's crooked. Well, not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty bad. The other side, I can make it match. I can make them match. Do those match? Those kind of match. That kind of worked. Kind of. Maybe. sort of. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm still doing it. I am not giving up. I am almost there. And I just already screwed up. I already screwed up. Okay, I need a mirror, not a camera. Sorry. They're not the worst cat wings I've ever seen. They're not the worst. What are they supposed to look like again? Oh, like they're supposed to look good. They're not that bad, are they? Let's try Marilyn Monroe eyes. I'm just putting some like on the outside corner of my lower eye, hoping I don't overdo it. I overdid it. Dang, I'm starting to wish it was Halloween or something so that I had an excuse to like wear this outside. Okay, I need to fix my upper eyelids. Maybe Marilyn Monroe is like Elvis. Maybe she's secretly alive somewhere and she's watching all of our YouTube tutorials of like how to look like Marilyn Monroe. She died in Niagara Falls, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, she did, didn't she? I got eyeliner on. Yeah, I don't look like Marilyn Monroe at all. I just look overdone. I'm hoping when I get the red lip on, then it'll look good. I don't know if I complained to you last time, guys, about my ridiculously long eyelashes. But it's like actually a problem for me. I need to go in and like specifically ask for like a non-volumizing mascara, which are like impossible to find. The ends of my eyelashes got stuck together because the eyeliner. I can't fix this without just tearing out my eyelashes. Whoopsies. Maybe? Nope. Can I? Nope. I think I got it. Ooh, I got it a little bit. There. Okay. Now you can see. Oh god, I'm gonna run into the same problem on this side. Maybe I should start putting on my mascara before my eyeliner. Nobody else does it that way. So that'd probably work worse. A little bit. Of my outside lower lashes. Okay. I don't look like Marilyn Monroe, but I look good. So that's nice. You can't be Marilyn Monroe without a red lip. What do her lips look like? Probably better than mine. So she has a decent sized upper lip and a decent sized lower lip, unlike me. So what I'm gonna have to do is overline my lips so that they look okay. Man, she has really nice lips. Oh my gosh. Forget Kylie Jenner. She's me. Okay. Oh god. Hang on, mentally preparing myself for this. The pressure is on. I haven't screwed up so far, which is a miracle in and of itself. Lip liner time. Let's see if I can do this. This is Annabelle in shade 247 Burgundy, or Rouge Vin in French. Can I look into the mirror and do... Yeah, no, I need the mirror. So take a note of where my lips are right now. I'm gonna have to overline them so this one comes out more, because my top lip is very thin. I'm gonna have to overline my bottom lip too. This is gonna suck. Okay, so Marilyn Monroe's lips her lips were like very wave-like. Right now mine are like very mountain peak-esque. So I'm just gonna go up and make them more smooth. I don't know the terminology for this. If I go like that maybe? Well, this is questionable to say the least. No, now I've just smudged it. This is a cry for help. Well, the bottom lip went on easy. You know, I remember this lip liner being more red. I'm gonna have to try this out with some of my more like purpley lipsticks. I did not know that. Okay, now I don't know if it'll work with my lipstick. Hang on. So the lipstick that I am using is NYX in shade 513. I've tried this before, it's really nice. It's like my favorite lipstick, except that I suck with putting on lipstick. So let's see if this works. This isn't gonna work. Okay. They don't match. Yeah, they're close enough on camera. Right there a little bit. Okay, I've got a line of white in there. Can I get rid of it? Okay, let's see. That work? Does that work? You can't tell colors, but the color of my lip liner does not match my lipstick. I'm trying Red is Love now and seeing, okay, that works. Phew. Okay, crisis averted. Woo. I got lipstick on my tooth. Is that it? Give this all. Her lips are quite a bit bigger than mine, and my lips tend to be narrower than everybody's. So I had to go a bit overboard, which kind of works if my lips are shut, but if I start talking, I just look ridiculous. Woo. Cool. I feel like I'm missing stuff. Her eyes are also smaller than mine. Hang on. Maybe if I just keep my eyes more close. This isn't that bad, actually. Yo, I think I did it. Oh my gosh. Well, my nose isn't quite right from a side angle, but hang on. No, oh shit. Just ruined the whole thing in 2 places. Well, now I just look like a vampire because it's bleeding on my teeth. She might have been a vampire, I don't know. Okay. How do I, No, no. I look like I have a really bad case of gingivitis. The more I try to fix it, the worse it gets. Maybe if I just, can just grab more powder. Can you see that? You can't see that. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Wait, where does it go? There. Right there-ish. Right there. I don't want to lift it and for it to not be there. I did it! Oh my gosh! It's way too... Okay, my mole is too big. My mole is too big. Hey! I did it! I did it! I look like Marilyn. So this is your final look. I wish I had an outfit that went with this, but I don't. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go take pictures of this on Snapchat and like go overboard with selfies because I am really happy with this. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, guess what I'm going as for Halloween this year? I just need to learn how to curl my hair. Anyway, I tried. That mole thing is kind of nice. I don't like any of my other freckles, but I like the fake one. If anybody has something they want me to do, ask for a part 3. I can't promise there will be a part 3, but you can ask. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.
Pretty woman walking down the street, pretty